This is the brand new Honor 90. This sits alongside Honor's 90 series of devices. So quick cut of the tape and then we can lift the lid and reveal our device. I'm lucky enough to have the midnight black colour and there's two other colours to choose from. And then switching around to the triple rear camera, you've got a 200 megapixel ultra clear camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera. Also in the box you've got your SIM tool and you'll find some paperwork. Underneath that you'll find your USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So this has a 6.7 inch AMOLED quad curved floating display with a resolution of 2664 by 1200. It has the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 accelerated edition, 8GB of RAM, 250GB of storage, or there's 12GB of RAM with 512GB of storage with a whopping 5000 mAh battery running Magic OS 7.1 based off Android 13. Before navigating you through the setup process, I want to talk about the accessibility features that they have here labelled as reading aid. One of the first options is magnification. So toggle on and then 3 quick taps with one finger you zoom in. With 2 fingers you can manoeuvre around your display and 3 quick taps will take you back. You can turn it on or off and then you can also have the other option of 3 quick taps with one finger. You'll jump in and out and navigate with one finger and as soon as you release it takes you back. And then also inside here they have font size. So you're able to adjust the font that you can see on your display, which makes it really easy for me, especially for setting up a device and actually navigating through a device. You also have Google's TalkBack service available. So let's move into the setup process. We've got English and get started. Then you're going to select your region here, so we're going to choose United Kingdom and press next. Then you have terms of use, so you have to agree to these. There's a little tick box, press next again. And then you can insert your SIM card or you can choose to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So locate your Wi-Fi network here, and this is the first time you'll see the keyboard, which is really large and easy to use. And once you've entered your Wi-Fi password, it will say connected, and then it will check for any software updates as well and see if there's any updates needed. Then it moves on to apps and data, and you can copy apps and data if you want to. If you tap next, it will ask you then to connect a device, but I'm going to say don't copy, and again it's going to do further checks. The next step is to sign into your Google account. You will need a Gmail account to log in to all of Google's services and to use their apps, including the Google Play Store. So you can simply add your account if you want to. You can say forgot password or create account. Let's log in with my account. Once logged in, we want to make sure that we are using the device, and you then have to agree to Google's terms and conditions. Tap next. Then you have Google services, so read through these and select the Google services you want to use. Sometimes I turn back off, but this time I'm going to say next and continue. And then it says access to your Google Assistant. So I'm going to allow access to my Google Assistant. Then it will ask if you have a Google Voice match on file, which I do, and it will download this to my device so my device recognizes me. Then it says access to your assistant without actually touching your device. I'm going to say allow. That's where you can use certain phrases. Then with Honor, you can quick log in if you want to, and that would share your information between different devices. Then you have device privacy. Then you will have the option to log in with your Honor ID. I'm going to say log in a little bit later on. Then you come on to device protection. So you can set fingerprint, set facial recognition, or set password. So I'm going to set fingerprint. Then it will ask you to enter a code. So I'm going to change mine to a 4-digit code, and you will need to repeat this twice. Once entering your code twice, it will then highlight where you need to place your thumb or your finger. Majority of the time you're going to register your thumb, and it then highlights in the area you need to fill in. So it uses an optical under the display fingerprint sensor. You simply just fill in this little graph, and then afterwards it will ask you to do the edges as well. So just go through, and you can also add other fingers later on in time, and you can use this to buy applications and also to use Google Pay. Once you've registered your thumb, it will then ask you if you want to set up Facial ID. You'll need to enter your PIN once again. After you've entered your PIN, it will ask you to then look at the camera. And this is where you get into focus and it completes a quick ring, and this means now you can unlock via your face. Then you can select to use enhanced services, which I'm going to do, and then user experience program, again I'm going to agree to that. Location services, I'm going to agree to. Then we come on to navigation, and this uses gesture control if you choose to. So swiping from the left will take you back. Swiping from the left again will take you back when you're in an application or maybe a website. Swiping up will take you home. Swiping up and holding, this will show you you all of your applications and you can quickly dismiss them. We can hit finish, and this should then load us into our home screen, and our Honor 90 is all set up and ready to go. It's such a beautiful device and there's so much to enjoy. I'm just showing you a Google feed on the left hand side. I'm showing you a notification area and your widgets area, but please let me know what you think of the brand new Honor 90 and I'll make sure to share further videos. For me, Ricky, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to ring that notification bell to stay updated once I release new videos, and I will make sure to link the Honor 90 down in the video description. Make sure to have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.